Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram post on Snapchat story. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up your Instagram. Now, once you open up your Instagram, go to your profile and then find the post which you want to share on your Snapchat story and click on it. Once you open up the profile, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up a menu. Now on this menu, click on this copy link option. After the link has been copied, go ahead and open up your Snapchat and then click a picture for you to post on your story. After you click a picture, on the right hand side you'll see this pin option. Go ahead and click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now all you have to do is paste the link that we copied from the Instagram post like this and then click on the search button. Wait for it to search and load. As you can see, the post has been opened on this web browser. Now what you have to do is simply click on this attach to snap option and the Instagram post has been linked. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram post on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.